like the angels. You can live like a fairy